Hey, what's up, students? Here's the extension to the 5x plus 3y equals 30 problem. We added some extra parts to it, so here we go. So remember, you solve for y equals negative 5/3 x plus 10. Now we're going to evaluate this equation we just made when x equals negative 30, when x equals 0, and when x equals 30. So here's what I would do. I would write it out basically all three times. So I would go negative 5/3, use brackets. Remember, when you're plugging in negatives, it's usually best to use brackets, plus 10. Then I would copy and paste, do the exact same thing. Negative 5/3 times 0 plus 10, that's going to be a pretty easy one. And then do negative 5/3 times 30 plus 10. Okay, sweet. Now the beautiful thing about some of these is you can do some mental math, but I have them all pre-calculated, so I'll show you all the answers. But you can go through and be like, yep, negatives cancel, see you later. Divide by 3 and times 30, the 3's actually cancel, and you'd have a 10 here. So the 30 and the 3 would cancel, and you'd have a 10. So you'd have basically 5 times 10 plus 10, which is 60. Okay, that's kind of nice. 0 cancels everything, so you just have a positive 10. And then the same thing happens here. The 3 and the 30 kind of simplify, reduce, cancel to just a 10. Think 30 divided by 3 makes 10. Then you'd have the negative 5 times 10, which is negative 50, plus 10 is negative 40. So there you go. So we have three inputs. We put this in, we put this in, we put this in, then we get three outputs. This comes out, and this comes out. Here is the calculation of it, as you can see right here. So you can type it in very nice and carefully in a calculator, and there we go. There's 60, there's 10, and there's negative 40. All right, cool. So that's the second part of this 5x plus 3y equals 30 problem. Solve for y, so you subtract the x, divide everything by the number connected to y. Three numbers go in, three numbers come out. All right, see you in class.